It's Saturday, 12:18 in the afternoon, 12:18 p.m. Internet, which is here, which is Rogers. I'm in Canada. It's been down since Friday morning at around 4:30 a.m. Well over a day, and it's still not working. And when people work from home, if you want to get paid, you have to diversify your internet. When I say that, my internet is Rogers. My phone is Bell. So if I try to get online now, let's say I go to a great website. I can't. It says reload. Okay. The easiest way to do, you can turn around and you can create a hotspot, or just plug it in, turn it on, it charges your phone at the same time. Go down to your settings, connections, mobile hotspots and tethering. I'm going to tether. And on my computer, I'm going to click yes. And I can turn that off and still use my phone the same way. And I'm online, and I can continue the work. Reason being is I didn't put myself on one network. Rogers Internet and Rogers Phone. It's Bell Phone, Rogers Internet. Anyway, it's a great website. You guys should check it out. Well, I have to say, if you work from home, it's almost essential that you diversify your internet provider. Rogers, Bell. If Bell goes down, you can still have internet. If Rogers goes down, you still get on the internet, so you can still work from home and not lose any money. Anyway, if you like the channel, thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching my channel. Bye for now.